Okay, we got all the cases loaded. Now we gotta find our crimp and seating. I just run this down till it just touches the case. Right about there. I'm just gonna give it a pre-lock. On both manuals, they listed, of course, they're listing a cast bullet, and I'm using a copper plated. They're calling for an overall length of 1.253 to 1.253 to 1.26. So I'm just going to set at 1.255, 56, somewhere in there. I always make a roundup, any caliber I do with bullet I'm using. Like this is back when I was loading 40 Smith & Wessons. That way, when I get ready to adjust it, all I got to do is put that in there and we're off and running. All right, let's see what we got here. Get the bullet seated and get my length first. Put that in there. See how close. You can tell it's 10 millimeter. No primer in it. 135. One 325. Getting close. Getting close. Yeah, 1.253. Close enough. So now we got to back the sealer die off. And we got to get the crimp set. Quite. Back it off. Just a tickle more. A firm crimp. There we go. That feels good. got it. All I gotta do is put my overall length on there for next time. I know what it is. Well, there you go. We're gonna get these all done and we'll get back with you. Okay, just a little tidbit. I've always done this with these because I've noticed that when you try to crimp and seat a bullet, sometimes it doesn't give you any consistency. So what I've done is I've got my crimp set, I've got bullet set, but I've got a ground plate. It's on both sides, ground on both sides, so I know it's perfectly flat. I see die down in it. All I'm doing is just seating the bullet. When I get all the bullets seated, I'll pull this out, back the pin out, the seating pin, and then crimp them all. That's just a little thing I've always done, especially with these kind of cases for taper crimp and stuff. Okay, there we go. We got 100 rounds, 50 rounds loaded with power pistol, 50 rounds loaded with auto comp. You probably noticed the colors on there. Well, I have it on the papers to go in the box with it, what that pertains to. This is 7 grains of auto comp, 7.7, 7.4 power pistol, 7.9 power pistol. And if you haven't done it, most of you old reloaders I know have done this. If you haven't, good for you. How many times have you went out to the range and had all your ladder rounds made up and dropped the blame box and they get all mixed up? This way, I've got it done. I've done that. So this is my system. Well, there you go. A little bit of reloading old school. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present.